英国的尼西欧到底敢有水怪咧？最近阁有真侪人的讨论哦。苏格兰尼西欧中心前几天展开50多天来上大规模的搜查行动，有超过100个职工参加。负责人表示讲，这届的搜查是使用上新的科技哦，以深海水底的声音要来找水怪，咱做伙来了解。
尼苏欧水怪是英国苏格兰上有名的神秘生物传说。苏格兰尼苏欧中心伫当地时间26到27展开50多年来上大规模的搜索行动，吸引100名职工登记参与，300名职工报名看直播。
I don't know why. Maybe I just recently saw a movie or I had read something, but I chose the Loch Ness Monster as my essay assignment, and I thought, oh, 20 years later, it comes full circle, so I might as well come and join the hunt since I heard it was happening.
部分职工互分配到尼苏欧4区域的17个地点，监测水怪的任何现象。有一寡人是伫船顶以成立系统搜索。尼克森表示，这摆行动并不是要引人注意。
We're going to be using some new technology this weekend. We've got hydrophones going in down to a depth of about 60 feet, underwater microphones, and they've been yielding some quite interesting results. There's been some noises down there which we've not been able to fully understand where they're coming from.
在2019年时，科学家都把亲自分析苏格兰尼苏欧冰水中的 DNA， 已经排除恐龙这类大型动物存在可能。佮讲尼苏欧水怪可能只是一尾大蚱蜢。公司新闻新乐培编译。